What I'm going to show you here today is how to do copies on your new Lexmark device. So swipe your card or choose PIN login to register as yourself. You can make copies from the ADF or from the flatbed as well. Click on the copy section on the side there. In the copy section you can see the most common options are there. Two-sided to two-sided, one-sided, that's your duplex copying, your paper size and what tray that you actually want to copy it to. If you want to go more detailed, select on the more settings option. Here you can change a whole plethora of options from the scaling, the color, pages per side, but most importantly one of your printers there has a stapler in it. So if you go to the finishing options section, you can see that you've got options here for staples. So you can do staples, left hand side, bottom, wherever you want to do the staples. Just select it, you don't have folding or anything, select staple there, go back and then press your copy button and your copy will happen.